Some people have misguided notions about marriage, so they get married for selfish reasons that are a bit strange sometimes. For instance, a woman seeking affirmation from her peers may plan an elaborate wedding, rent an exclusive bridal chapel, and buy an expensive bridal gown, so her friends can see her walk down the aisle wearing her new wedding gown. On the other hand, a man may get married because he wants to convince an old girlfriend who dumped him that he can get another woman. This is where things really get strange. This man may then expect his ex-girlfriend to compete with his wife and become his secret lover because he has become more attractive since he got married. Needless to say, antics like these are immature, but they are also immoral and dangerous. No unsuspecting bride should be used as a pawn in a love triangle created by a man with unresolved issues between him and another woman. With these thoughts in mind, before you get married, ask yourself why you are doing it. Is it for love, money, convenient sex, to escape loneliness, or to have children before you're too old? Regardless of the reason, you need to be honest with yourself and the person you are considering marrying. If you do go through with a wedding for the wrong reason, how can you expect to have a happy marriage? Your marriage could be filled with frustration and disappointment. It could end in divorce because it was not built upon strong foundational principles like biblical love, trust, mutual respect, and positive communication. This has been a Marriage Success Moment presented by Dr. David Stevens.